I think this is going to be the 10th year. I started my journey with GATR, GATR Enterprises, in the second GCBS conference, if I remember right, with three of my colleagues, Dr. Osa and Dr. Kausa. That's how our journey started. And from that, GATR has grown as a big, from a small child to a really very professional organization, I should say. And the growth is immense. And I wish always to for Getter to grow much more. Professionally, it is handling all the different disciplines very in an amazing manner, especially in this COVID crisis season as well. The way the enterprise and the organization has been handling the situation is really amazing. We have a WhatsApp group in which the WhatsApp group administrator has been updating us right from the morning about what are the activities which are happening, the YouTube links, and even when the papers are getting published, the paper links are being updated there. This shows how professional the team is working. Apart from even the conference, even after, before the conference and after the conference, they are very prompt in responding to any queries. And with regards to the publication, if you all of you would be knowing about the different list of journals. They have now Q1 journals, Q2 journals, Q3 journals. The list is so long, and it has multidisciplinary in business itself: entrepreneurship, finance, marketing, HR. And the array of journal publications is humongous. As well as the peer review process is also done very diligently. As all of you would be knowing, but for at least the newcomers, I would share this experience of me. Uh, we are being peer reviewed, double reviewed by at least 2 to 3 reviewers. And even if one reviewer is not going to give a positive response, then it goes to the fourth reviewer. And Dr. Kashan has been following up with those reviewers continuously and seen to that they are trying to publish quality papers, research papers in quality journals through an appropriate process. Yeah, so the process is very clearly defined and it's excellent. And with regards to the interdisciplinary things, just not only management, we have engineering, we have arts and sciences. So the people who are participating in this conference get a varied of idea about different researches happening in different areas and across the globe. Because you could see there are people from the Far East, there are people from Asia, there are people from Arab GCC Gulf countries. There are people from South Africa. There are people from UK, US. You have people across the globe who are coming here, and many of us have even started collaborating with each other when we came and met during the conferences. So it is a good networking place as well. And if you see the place, of course, where the conferences are being conducted, it's an amazing place, very safe, secure. And you have always the organization team which is supporting you with any of your needs. And I should comment on this, which is the food. They always look into the ethnicity of people who are participating in the conference and see to that the menu is set in the way all of them are able to have their own ethnic foods. That's a very appreciable thing. And last time when I came in person was during the Sri Lankan conference, where I co-chaired with Dr. Gabriel Mons, and it was an amazing experience, and I learned a lot with him. Unfortunately, due to this COVID season, I'm unable to travel. But next time, I hope I would travel. but I think one of my colleague, this time I have added one more addition, Dr. Louis Patterson from American University as well is participating additionally from our school in Getter conferences. And I have been promoting to all my colleagues, and many of them have been participating in Getter conferences, and they have been very happy, just not only attending the conferences, but they are able to publish their work in Scopus Index journals and ISI Index journals. And it is all Q1, Q2 Scopus journals. And of course, schools which are going in for accreditation, they are looking out for this. And Gutter is doing such a very, I should say, a service to the society globally. Yeah, by promoting and by helping the people to publish their work in the right opportunity and in the right way. And I always wish, and I've always kept the Gutter conferences in my prayers, that they grow much more big, and I keep attending your conferences. Yeah, and thanks, my special thanks to Dr. Kashan, who has always been very supportive to me. And I am very sure that he has been always supportive to all the participants, very patient person. Any doubts you ask, he always promptly responds back to you within a day you will get for sure a response back with him. Even if he's busy, he would say, just give me a day or two, I will respond back to you. And it's a very professionally conducted conference, and it's one of the best conferences I have attended. I've attended many conferences in the US and the UK, even in the GCC, but Gatter is something which is close to my heart, and that's why I've been continuously been associated with Gatter conferences, and I hope I will do the same in future as well.